Hey guys, once again we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon sites. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go. How can a handheld device deliver industrial-grade precision and versatility? The Creality CR Scan Raptor 3D scanner combines blue laser and infrared technologies to achieve a 0.02mm accuracy, making it ideal for scanning objects of all sizes, from small boots to entire car parts. With anti-shake tracking, 24-bit full-color scanning, and lightweight design, this scanner offers unmatched performance for professionals and enthusiasts alike. What makes a power bank a must-have for modern tech users? The CUKTECH 20 power bank offers a remarkable 140-watt output with a massive 25,000 mAh capacity, delivering lightning-fast charging for laptops, smartphones, and more. With a smart TFT display, sleek design, and durable battery life spanning over 1,000 cycles, it's the perfect companion for work, travel, and emergencies. Compact and powerful, it keeps you connected anywhere. What if your fitness tracker could truly enhance your lifestyle? The Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro combines a stunning 1.74-inch AMOLED display with up to 20 days of battery life and 5 ATM water resistance. With over 150 workout modes and advanced health features like SpO2 and heart rate monitoring, this sleek device makes tracking your fitness effortless. Compact, stylish, and feature-rich, it's your perfect daily companion. How can a portable power bank redefine convenience? The BT20 Tactical Power Module is a game-changer with its replaceable battery design and versatile charging capabilities. Designed for durability and efficiency, this innovative power bank ensures you're never left without power. Whether you're on a tactical mission or an everyday adventure, its compact, user-friendly design makes it the ultimate solution for reliable mobile energy on the go. Looking for a compact yet powerful gaming PC? The ACEMAGIC AD08 Mini PC delivers cutting-edge performance with its Intel Core i9 processor, 32GB DDR4 RAM, and 512GB SSD. Its sleek design features RGB lighting and 3 performance modes to optimize for gaming, multitasking, or quiet operation. What if a flashlight could offer unparalleled versatility and convenience? The OLIGHT Oclip Pro combines a 500-lumen flashlight, a 120-meter spotlight, and a red light for signaling, all in a compact 2.24-inch design. With USB-C, IPX6 waterproofing, and a magnetic clip, it's ideal for adventures or daily tasks. Lightweight and durable, this innovative EDC flashlight ensures reliable performance when you need it most. Transform your smartphone into a cinematic powerhouse. The Anduwa 1.55x anamorphic lens broadens your phone's field of view by 58%, delivering a stunning 2.76:1 widescreen aspect ratio. With an aluminium frame and HD optics, this durable lens boosts video quality and adds a dreamy flair. Compatible with most smartphones, it includes a universal clip and travel case, making it perfect for filmmakers of all levels. How can earbuds bridge the gap between languages? The Wooask A8 Translator earbuds redefine multilingual communication with real-time translation in 144 languages. Powered by ChatGPT, these earbuds offer offline translation for 16 languages and feature a responsive touchscreen for standalone operation. No app needed. With a powerful speaker mode, noise reduction, and MP3 or MP4 playback, the A8 is ideal for seamless global connectivity. How can a charging station simplify your daily routine? The Merpiso 3-in-1 magnetic foldable wireless charger provides seamless charging for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once. With its foldable design, compact travel case, and fast 18-watt adapter, it's perfect for home or on-the-go use. This charger combines efficiency, convenience, and style, featuring magnetic alignment and multi-device compatibility to keep your gadgets powered up effortlessly. Why compromise comfort when the weather turns damp? The Scion Beauty Boot Dryer is your ultimate solution for dry, odor-free footwear. With 360-degree heating, a portable design, and 3 timer settings, 3, 6, or 9 hours, it efficiently dries boots, gloves, or shoes while consuming minimal energy. Ideal for home or travel, this fireproof ABS device ensures your gear stays fresh and ready no matter the season. How can a portable charger fit seamlessly into your life? The iWALK 5000 mAh portable charger offers 20-watt PD fast charging, a sleek LED display, and an integrated USB-C port compatible with iPhone and Android devices. With a foldable metal stand for hands-free use and a lightweight design, it's perfect for powering up on the go. Enjoy rapid, reliable charging in a compact device that doesn't compromise on performance. Elevate your workstation effortlessly. The RayCue 128K SE docking station offers 13 connectivity options, including triple 4K HDMI, USB-C and Ethernet ports, delivering seamless multitasking for laptops. Its built-in 3.5-inch IPS digital photo frame adds a personal touch, while the 45-watt adapter ensures reliable performance. Turn up the vibe with the TRIBIT StormBox Mini, a compact powerhouse delivering 360-degree immersive sound and punchy bass from dual drivers. Whether hiking, lounging, or dancing in the rain, its IPX7 waterproof design, 12-hour battery life, and dynamic LED lights keep the mood alive. Featuring seamless Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, this speaker is your perfect adventure buddy, proving that great sound can come in small, durable packages. Relive the golden age of gaming with the Anbernic RG CUBE, a retro handheld console packed with modern power. Equipped with an advanced Unisonic T820 processor, a vivid 3.95-inch IPS touchscreen, and RGB joystick lighting, it blends nostalgia with innovation. Enjoy hours of gameplay with its 5200 mAh battery, support for over 30 emulators, and online multiplayer features. Whether at home or on the go, it's the ultimate gaming companion. Revolutionize your workspace with the X-Layout Keyboard Wrist Rest, featuring built-in cooling fans and customizable lighting. Ergonomically designed to reduce wrist fatigue, this wrist rest offers 30-degree angle adjustment for a tailored fit with any keyboard. The premium faux leather finish adds a touch of luxury, while quiet fans keep your hands cool during intense gaming or work sessions. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to sleek, functional comfort. The ANEO Flip DS handheld gaming PC revolutionizes portable gaming with its sleek 7-inch 120Hz IPS display, AMD Ryzen 7 7840U processor, and Radeon 780M GPU. Featuring 32GB of RAM and 2TB of SSD storage, it combines powerful performance. With a built-in keyboard and advanced connectivity options, this compact device is designed for seamless gaming and productivity on the go. Power and portability meet in the Higole Gole 2 Pro Mini PC. Featuring a responsive 5.5-inch touchscreen, the device runs Windows 11 Pro on an efficient Celeron N5095 processor. With 16GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, it handles multitasking effortlessly. Compact yet versatile, it includes a full-feature USB-C port, multiple USB 3.0 slots, and HDMI support. Experience timeless elegance with the MECEXP MS1001 wristwatch. Encased in durable stainless steel and featuring a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal dial, this luxury watch combines style and resilience. It boasts water resistance and luminous hands for functionality day and night. With its precise mechanics and sleek design, it's perfect for both formal occasions and everyday wear. A true testament to craftsmanship and sophistication. Revolutionize your power supply with USB rechargeable AA and AAA batteries by Pale Blue. These lithium-ion batteries offer 1.5-volt output, fast 1.5-hour charging, and over 1,000 recharge cycles. Equipped with a 4-in-1 USB-A to USB-C cable and LED charge indicators, they're perfect for modern devices and eco-conscious consumers. Compact, efficient, and environmentally friendly, they make disposable batteries a thing of the past. Simplify your streaming and multitasking needs with the CyberAxon D3, a 13-in-1 hub combining a touchscreen controller, 8K digital support, and triple 4K at 60Hz output. Featuring 10GB per second transfer speeds, 100-watt power delivery, and USB 3.2 Gen 2, it's perfect for content creators and professionals. With its sleek design and extensive connectivity options, including 13 versatile ports, the CyberAxon D3 redefines workspace efficiency and functionality. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you most. Bye-bye.